Most people don't think twice about their air compressor until they're halfway through a project and the pressure drops right when they need it most. That is exactly where this 60-gallon beast from DEWALT steps in. It is not exactly a small piece of equipment, but if you have the floor space in your shop, it changes the workflow entirely. The first thing that hits you is the sheer build quality. It feels like it was designed to live in a busy industrial environment for decades, not just a few years. The tank itself is SME certified, which gives you that peace of mind when you are pushing it toward that 175 psi limit. Now here is the interesting part. Usually, when you get this much power, you expect a machine that sounds like a jet engine taking off in your garage. But this thing is surprisingly manageable at 70 decibels. You can actually hold a conversation while it is running, which is a massive win if you spend all day in the shop. The 5-horsepower motor is the real workhorse here. It handles the heavy lifting without breaking a sweat, and the air delivery is consistent enough that you aren't constantly waiting for the tank to catch up while you are sanding or drilling. It is a single-stage setup, but it performs with the kind of reliability you usually only see in much more expensive, complex systems. One thing to keep in mind is the electrical requirement. You are looking at a 240-volt setup, so unless your shop is already wired for it, you will need to factor in a bit of extra work to get it running. It is not a plug-and-play situation for the average home hobbyist. Also, while the vertical design is a brilliant way to save floor space, it does make the unit quite tall, so double-check your ceiling clearance before you commit. The oil lube system is another detail that matters. It keeps everything running smooth and quiet, but it does mean you have to stay on top of your maintenance schedule. You can't just set it and forget it forever. Honestly, for anyone moving from smaller, portable compressors to a permanent shop setup, this is a massive jump in capability. It is not the cheapest option out there, but it feels like one of those tools that you buy once and never have to worry about replacing. If you are tired of your tools starving for air, this is probably the upgrade you have been looking for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.